The intention of this channel is to publish the view for Bank Nifty and give the results of trades executed in sensible virtual trading so that one can practice and become a profitable trader. Let us take a look at the portfolio. This is the outstanding balance. I have squared off all the positions for today. I don't have any open positions. Now let us take a look at the charts and open interest data and see how the index might move tomorrow. Here Nifty is very clearly bullish and we have to trail our stop loss and follow along until we see a clear sign of reversal. Now let us take a look at the Bank Nifty chart. Here Bank Nifty is also very bullish and trading near the all-time high. First let us take a look at the open interest of Nifty. Here 14,000 is a very strong resistance, but considering the open interest, the change in open interest at the below levels, clearly it is very bullish, and I guess it will try to test these levels of 14,000, but it might slow down a bit. Now let us take a look at the Bank Nifty data. Here Bank Nifty is also very bullish, and look at the change in open interest at the lower strikes. It is very high, and I believe it will cross 31,000 levels and trade somewhere between 31,000 to 31,500 for tomorrow, because the daily range for Bank Nifty is around 400 to 600 points, and if it has to trade 400 points below, there is no space, like the support is very high, so eventually it has to cross. Even if it is chopping around, it will give 300 to 400 points more. That way it will definitely cross 31,000 for tomorrow. That is what I believe. Let us wait and see how the market moves tomorrow, and we can adjust our positions accordingly. Additionally, I created another portfolio just to demonstrate the trades I have taken. So today around 12:30 I executed a covered call position between 30,800 and 31,100, and this is the result. Okay, so why I took this move? Because the market was trading in a very tight range between 30,700 and 850 odd levels, so I was sure that it is not going to break 30,700, and this is the time I placed this order around 12:30, where the indication was very clear that the market might consolidate or move up. So that's why I executed covered call, and this was the result. Always hedge your positions against swift down moves due to any unforeseen reason or profit booking. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. With